Hi, I'm Sonia, and I am a virtual trainer for Zenphi. From our entire team, thank you for your interest in our solution. We are happy to help you write your Google automation story. Before we get started, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. In this video, I will break down the building blocks for every Zenphi flow. Taking time to understand the basic fundamentals is essential to workflow automation. If you are new to Zenphi or just shopping around, this short video is for you. So let's dive in. Everything in Zenphi revolves around the concept of flows. Each flow follows a sequence from the top to the bottom and fits together like the pieces of a puzzle. Your Zenphi flow should have one main purpose. Much like a website has subdomains, a Zenphi flow can travel many different paths before its conclusion. Just remember, everything in the flow should complement the main purpose. Our second building block is called a trigger. Every Zenphi flow is initiated when a trigger is executed. A trigger can be executed by the submission of a Google form, or by an email received in Gmail from a specified person or system, or when a row is added to a Google Sheet, and so much more. Zenphi can integrate with any system that has a secure API for integration. Check out Zenphi.com for a full listing of our current integrations. New integrations are added to Zenphi frequently, so check our site often. Moving along to the actions block. This third block is arguably the most important of our 5 building blocks. This block is where all the magic happens. By selecting various actions from the easy-to-use token picker, you can start to put the puzzle together. Before long, all those pieces begin to tell your Google automation story. Our fourth stop is at connections. Zenphi Workspace connects seamlessly to the Google Workspace ecosystem in order to populate each Zenphi flow with data. A file stored in Google Drive can serve as a repository for multiple flows. Gone are the days of maintaining the same data in several locations. One final building block, and you will have all the necessary information to build a solid Zenphi flow. The final concept you need to understand is called a flow run. Each time a Zenphi flow is executed, either manually or automatically, it initiates a flow run. Why are flow runs so important? Because each time a flow is ran, you are gaining efficiency and realizing savings in both human and financial resources. Well, there you have it. The 5 building blocks needed for a solid Zenphi flow. Now, why don't you head over to Zenphi.com and start for free today? We can't wait to see your Google automation story. Proud partner of Google Workspace.